Canva has a lot of ways for artists and freelancers to make money. Canva is an online platform that lets people make logos, posters, social media posts, GIFs, and more. Canva is a lifesaver for people who aren't very good at making graphics, because it has a lot of templates and images. This is the right place if you've used Canva for a while and want to make money with it. I've worked out how to do it for you. Number 1. Canva Pro Affiliate Program. When we think about how to make money with Canva, we should think about the Canva Pro Affiliate Program as well. As soon as you join the Canva Pro Affiliate Program, you will earn a set amount of money if someone joins Canva through your affiliate link and pays for it. Even if you don't know how to use Photoshop or make graphics, you can still make money with this method. If you want to make money with Canva Pro Affiliate Marketing, there are 3 steps. Sign up as an affiliate if you want to start making money when people sign up for Canva Pro. None of us have to pay any fees or meet any sales goals to join. Tell people about Canva Pro if they want to pay more for the service. Assist in the growth of Canva's users around the world. The more people who click on a link and sign up for Canva Pro, the more you make money. Start making money. For each new Canva Pro member who signs up through your unique referral link, you could earn up to $36. This is how it works. Be a Canva creator or contributor. You can also make money with Canva if you become a creator or a helper. If you're willing to share your designs and templates with the world, Canva wants to hear from you. After your application has been approved, you can use Canva to make and change templates. To get paid for these templates, people use them in the way that Canva says they should be paid. Number 2. Canva Coaching Service. Another way to make money with Canva is to teach people or groups how to use it. Many busy people and people who aren't good at making things want to learn how to use Canva to make things quickly and efficiently. You can get your coaching business off to a good start by making yourself known and building a good reputation around Canva. Provide training modules, manuals, and seminars to teach people how to make different designs. People who work for small businesses can get one-on-one help, and they can learn how to make different designs for everyday use. You must do research and keep up with the needs of your target audience. 3. Create products using Canva products that can be made to your liking, t-shirts, and mugs. To make money with Canva, you can sell personalized products such as t-shirts and mugs you make yourself. Canva lets you come up with unique and appealing design ideas that you can use on a variety of personalized products. Merchandise is a very important part of today's advertising, so it will be easy for you to sell your designs. There are a lot of sports teams and social media stars who use customized products to strengthen their connection and bond with their fans. There are also people who order personalized coffee and photo mugs for things like brand promotions and gifts. There are mug designs you can use to show off your creative and artistic skills and start making money from Canva. Ebook design. With the help of Canva, you can write an ebook and sell it to people all over the world. You can make your book covers look good so that you can sell more of them. Canva helps you make and sell comic books and picture books on a variety of platforms, including Amazon's Kindle, which is a great place to sell ebooks. Stickers. Stickers are one of the most effective ways to market today. Promotional stickers are the best because they can be used in a lot of different ways and in a lot of different places to advertise. Stickers are often made to get noticed right away and send a strong message that other marketing materials can't compete with. You can make sticker templates for Christmas, Halloween, safety, laptops, and cars on Canva and make a lot of money from them, like a lot of money. Number 4. Wall art design. Wall art is a type of art that has been around for a long time. As time has gone on, this art form has grown and changed a lot. Past marketing campaigns have used dull and boring slogans that people didn't want to listen to, but that is no longer the case. Canva lets you make wall art designs and posters that are sharp and hard to change. Find out who your target market is, come up with interesting quotes, and make wall art with style. Number 5. Digital planners and calendars. You can never print a digital planner. It stays in the digital world. With an iPad and an Apple Pen, they're great for people who like to plan, but don't want to carry around a big binder or waste paper. With the help of Canva, you can make digital planners and calendars that help people stay more organized. The best thing about making a planner is that you can choose from a wide range of themes, from daily to-do lists to financial planners and event planning to family events to choose from. Number 6. Yard signs. Making yard signs with Canva is also a way to make money with the site. Yard signs can be found on everything from election campaigns and ballot issues to construction companies and fundraisers, and they're all over the place. It is a popular, low-cost, and effective way to market your business or event. Number 7. Digital patterns. Making patterns is like putting together all the pieces of a beautiful puzzle. It's a lot of fun. People who use digital patterns in their designs can add a unique flair to everything from clothes and wallpaper to mood boards and birthday cards. These patterns can also be sold as digital downloads or put on stock exchanges, so more people can get them. It's easy to make these patterns on Canva and then sell them to make money. Number 8. Lead magnet design. These things are called lead magnets, and they help businesses and companies with their advertising campaigns by giving them information about people who want them. If you've ever run a campaign of your own, you know how important they are and why it's important to have one. Lead magnets sell like hotcakes, but not everyone has the skills to make them. This is where you can help. Canva gives you the chance to make a lot of different templates that can help your customers grow their email lists and find new customers. Number 9. Social media content. It is the age of social media, and we are living in it right now. A mouse click can get us to most things in the world, now that the world has become more like a small town. By making social media graphics, you can help influencers and businesses reach new people and get more people to see their work. For almost every social media network you can think of, Canva has a template that fits the size of the picture. Businesses can use social media content to show off their products to a wide range of people and boost their sales. This type of content is very important because it helps your customers reach a lot of people all over the world. Number 10. Selling designs in print-on-demand site. A lot of people know that you can make money when someone buys something that has your design on it through print-on-demand (POD) services. You can upload your own designs and get a small cut of each sale. You can use your photography or graphic design skills to make t-shirts, stickers, mugs, shoes, and many other things that you can sell for money. Canva is a great platform that doesn't need any technical skills and can be used professionally in just a few days. Use it to make templates, graphics, or designs that you can use to make and sell your own products. Just be mindful, Canva does not allow you to use their graphic templates to make an infographic and then resell it. This is against the law and violates Canva's copyright.